All right, I may have messed up on the last video. If you're watching this now, they're telling me after I turned the video off that I made a mistake. They didn't turn to tell me before I made the video off that I made a mistake. But you know, that's the way it goes. These we are going to practice some estimation. Some estimation first. Now Emily Kate thinks she's the coolest in the world. So we have 384 multiplied by 2. I want to do some estimation on this, Emily Kate, so I can do it in my head. So what would you do to these numbers?
I would 384 to 400.
Good. So if I do 400 times 2, Emily Kate, what would my answer be? 400 times 2. 800. So now my answer should be somewhere around 800. If you got 16,286 and our estimate is 800, you may have made a mistake somewhere. Now, is my actual product going to be more than or less than 800?
Less than.
How do you know?
Because you rounded 384 up.
Good. I rounded the 384 up to 400. So the actual factor is 384. So that made my estimate higher than what my real answer is going to be. So if your answer is greater than 800, then you've made a mistake somewhere as well. Okay, that's a good. I always try to estimate first, especially as we get into decimals. Starting tomorrow in class, there'll be more videos on that. Especially as we get into decimals, it's really going to help you figure out where to place your decimal point. I'm just saying. So, since Emily Kate threatened to beat me up if I didn't call on her for this problem, we'll go ahead and call on her for this problem. Emily Kate, 4 ones times 2 ones is? 8 ones. Good. Did I get it right? Did I write it correctly? Please speak up if I don't. Because now somebody watching that last video is going to think, what an idiot that teacher is. And they're right. I am an idiot, but I'm depending on you to help me be less of an idiot. All right, Emily Kate, 2 times 8 is? 16 tens. Or 6 tens and 100. Emily Kate, 2 times 3 is?
6.
Plus the other 100 that I carried?
7.
768. 768. Now, if you wanted to go back and check it, you could always take 768 and divide that by 2, and you should get 384. It's important to check your work because you always want to get a good grade. Grades are important. Grades are important. You don't want to be failing so many times that you're driving your own car to 8th grade. That'd be cray-cray. All right, we have 2,831. Ava, you can help me on this one, Ava. 3 ones times 1 1 is? 3. And I don't have to carry anything because I can put 3 ones right in my pocket. They fit. I never have 3 ones because I'm Poe. All right.
9.
Ava, 3 times 3 is 9, so I have 9 tenths. Can't change that to 100. No, I don't have enough. Ava, 3 times 8 is? 24. I have 24 hundreds. Or 400s and 2000s. Ava, 3 times 2?
8.
6 plus 2 more is 8. We forgot to estimate on that.
Oh no!
For the love of Pete.
How dare we?
For the love of Pete.
But you're not an idiot.
All right, we're all agreeance on this?
Yes.
Agreeance isn't a word, but I heard somebody say that in an interview. We're all in agreeance here. All right, Andrea, I want you to look at that problem up there, 2,899 times 4. But we want to estimate first, Andrea. So what do we want to do with our 2,899? Good. I'm gonna estimate this. I'm gonna change 2,899 to what? 3,000. Awesome. 3,000. And if I multiply 3,000 times 4, remember, I've got all of these here. And then, since I'm starting to multiply in the thousands place, because the 3 is in the thousands place, that's where the first number I actually have to put down is. So Andrea, 4 times 3 is? 12. So I'll have the number 12,000 is my estimate. Now, Brenly, is my estimate going to be less than or greater than my actual product?
Greater than.
Greater than. All right, Andrea, 4 times 9 gives me what? 36. So that's 36 ones. I don't have a pocket big enough for that. So I'm going to make it 6 ones and 3 tens.
Emily Kate does.
Oh, Emily Kate does. Emily Kate, Emily Kate, Emily Kate. All right, Andrea. 4 times 9? 36 plus the 3 more that I carried. 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, now I have 39 tens, or 9 tens and 3 hundredths. All right, Andrea, 4 times 8 is? 32. Plus the 3 more I had up there makes it 35. 35 hundredths, or 5 hundredths and 3 thousandths. And Andrea, 4 times 2 is? Plus the 3 more we have, 8 plus 3 is? 11. So we are near our estimate. Are we all in agreement?
No.
No.
I got a 4, not a 5. I don't
Let's
know how.
see, 32, 33, 34, 35. Should be a 5 if...
That's my fault.
Okay, don't be your fault. I'm sorry.
I'm just...
Boom, shot, peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Subscribe so I can be rich.